How to stop hiccup in 10 seconds. It's a body mechanism caused by diaphragm located just below the lungs. Whatever body does is good for you, believe it. Sometimes we feel our hiccup may be disturbing. Here is a way to stop hiccup immediately. Just sit relaxed, then take a deep breath. Hold it for 10 seconds and exhale slowly.
Wow! Hiccup is gone.